Is your sink backed up and refusing to drain? It's one of the most annoying household problems, and your first thought might be to call a plumber. But wait, put down the phone. Before you spend $100 or more on a professional, let me show you a super effective, incredibly cheap way to fix it yourself. You probably already have everything you need right in your kitchen, and this entire fix will cost you less than a couple of bucks. Seriously, it's that easy. This method is a game changer for minor clogs, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. So if you're ready to become your own home repair hero, stick with me. First things first, let's prep the area for our little science experiment. If you have a sink full of gross standing water, you need to get rid of it. Grab a cup or a small bowl and bail out as much of that water as you can. We need our magic mixture to go straight down into the pipe and attack the clog directly, not get diluted by the standing water on top. While you're bailing, go ahead and fill up a kettle with water and get it on the stove to boil. We'll need that hot water for the final step to flush everything away. A little bit of prep now makes the whole process smoother and more effective, so don't skip this part. Once the sink is empty and the kettle is heating up, you're ready for the main event. Alright, now for step 2, the powder. Grab your box of baking soda. You're going to need about 1 full cup. Don't be shy with it. The goal here is to get as much of this baking soda as possible directly down the drain opening. If you have a funnel, that's perfect for this. Just place it in the drain and pour the baking soda through. If you don't have a funnel, no problem at all. Just roll up a piece of paper into a cone shape and use that instead, a simple and effective DIY funnel. The key is to avoid having the baking soda just sit around the rim of the drain. We want it deep inside the pipe where the clog is actually located. Once you've got the cup of baking soda down there, we're ready for the chemical reaction. Here comes the fun part, step 3, adding the vinegar. You'll need about 1 cup of plain white vinegar. Now pour it slowly down the drain right on top of the baking soda you just put in. As you pour, you're going to hear a satisfying fizzing and bubbling sound. That's the sound of success. This chemical reaction between the acidic vinegar and the alkaline baking soda is what does the hard work. It creates carbon dioxide gas that foams up and scrubs the inside of your pipes, breaking down all the built-up gunk, grease, food particles, and hair that's causing the blockage. Once you've poured all the vinegar in, cover the drain opening with a plug or even just a damp cloth. This traps the reaction inside the pipe, forcing it to work downwards on the clog. Now just walk away and let it do its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, and that fizzing mixture has had time to work its wonders. Now it's time for the final crucial step, the flush. By now your kettle of water should be boiling and ready to go. Very carefully pick up the hot kettle and pour the entire thing of boiling water straight down the drain. Be cautious as the water is extremely hot. This powerful flush of boiling water will wash away all the grease and grime that the baking soda and vinegar mixture has loosened up, clearing the path and getting your drain flowing freely again. The heat helps to melt any remaining greasy residue and pushes all the debris through the pipes. You should see a big difference immediately. And there you have it. Turn on the tap and watch that beautiful whirlpool as the water drains perfectly. No more standing water, just a clean, clear pipe. If the drain is still a little slow, it might just mean you had a particularly stubborn clog. Don't worry, just repeat the entire process one more time, and that should take care of it. You just fixed your own plumbing and saved yourself a hefty bill, probably over $150. It feels good, right? If you found this hack helpful and want more simple, money-saving DIY tips for your home, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.